Well, it is now official. And obviously, this news or whatever you want to call it, the rumor came out, geez, beginning of November when I made this video, or we made a video about it. But it is now official, confirmed, whatever you want to call it. Jorge Prado will be racing the first 3 rounds of Supercross before he returns to Europe and the rest of the world to defend his MXGP title. And to me, this is awesome. This is a legitimate contender, not some guy who's coming over from MXGP that's, middle of the pack trying to make some money over here. No, this is a world champion, fast guy on a factory bike with all the support and all the training and everything you need to be competitive. But who knows? I mean, maybe he comes and he absolutely blows everybody out of the water and he finishes podiums and contends for a couple wins. Who knows? In the comments below, I want to hear your opinions on that. How well do you think he's going to do? Obviously, it's only 3 races, so it's not going to count for a championship for anybody, but it could also hurt some championship contention for other people. So in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Where do you think he finishes the first 3 races? And it's good because it's A1, it's the big race. It's, all the audience is going to be on it, and now you're going to add all the international audience too. I think it's awesome. Who knows where this leads if he comes back and races next year more, or if this is a little tester run to come over here and race full time like, Roxon and Ferrandis and all those guys did. But I'm excited. This is another big name to already a massively stacked 450s contenders. The lineup of 450 riders is insane. So this is just all over good. But like I said, comment down below. I want to hear your opinions. How well do you think he does? You excited about this? You think it's a good idea? Whatever. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.